Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards. Today we're going to be going over the ST9 or the 9-inch snow trapper. This is made out of an 032 Kynar coated aluminum. It's also available in a 24-ounce copper. The ST9 has applications both new or being laid with roof, but also retrofit. So I'll briefly go through that. On a retrofit installation, we would have to worry about waterproofing since we're face fastening through the guard and through the roofing material. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put down a bead of urethane sealant where we're going to place the guard. Once that's down, we will place the guard and then we'll fasten it with 3 of our Woodbinder screws. The Woodbinder screws are fantastic for keeping water out of the penetration, and the layer of urethane underneath is going to provide an ultimate waterproofing barrier. On a new installation, what we would do is we would, as we've laid the course that we're working on, we'll put this on top of that and we'll fasten it with the nails above the headlap. With the nails being above the headlap, when we lay the next course of shingles, it's going to do the waterproofing for us and we won't have to worry about any sort of extra waterproofing. If you have any questions on this product or any of our other products, feel free to reach out to us. Our phone number is 720-379-7756 and our email address is info@RockyMountainSnowGuards.com. Thank you.